Alright, so in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to redeem Roblox codes on your phone and PC. So it's pretty much the same process for your mobile and PC, but on some phones, on supported regions, you can directly open up the Roblox app and you can redeem the code. But I'll show you the more convenient way which is supported for all the regions and everyone. What you need to do is just go to your web browser and then you need to type in a Roblox redeem code. You can do the same on your PC, and then you'll see the option of Roblox gift card. Just press on that and just keep that in mind that you have to be logged into that account, and then you just need to press on this option of redeem card. Once you press on it, right over here you'll see the option of Roblox redeem card, which is your account signed in. Make sure that your account is signed in, this one, just like mine. So right over here you have to put in the code, and it's the same from the PC. You just need to put in the code and you're good to go.